In this video, I'm going to show you what the difference is between a real purse and a fake purse, so you don't get ripped off or unknowingly rip somebody else off. Stay tuned. Hey guys, Aaron here. If you get value out of this channel, first of all, welcome. If you get value out of this video, please hit the like button. Please consider subscribing to this channel. I'm going to show you or talk to you about what to look for in fake purses. I am a reseller, so I resell a lot of purses. There's a lot of money in purses, but there's also a lot of fakes out there, and you got to know what you're looking for, because I've been duped a couple times. I don't ever want to do that to somebody else, so I decided to look more into it. So what we're going to talk about today is what you should look for in purses that are fake. Okay, so the first thing you're going to look for is know your brand. Like if it's a Coach purse or whatever, Louis Vuitton, Michael Kors, you can tell by a lot of these purses just by looking at it if it's fake or not right off the bat. Now granted, there are some good fakes out there, and that's when you have to really look at the details. So first thing you're going to want to look for, like in this clip right here, or this picture right here, this is a Coach purse. Look at the pattern of the C's. On the left hand side, the C's don't line up properly, and you know that Coach is going to make it look very good, and they're going to line those C's up. So if you see, like right here on the left, the C's not lining up properly compared to the right, it's a fake. So that's one thing to look for. That goes for all purses. If something doesn't look right, it probably isn't right. Another thing to look for, like on Coach purses, are the leather label on the inside. You can read those. If there's misspelled words, something doesn't look right on the label where they write, "This is genuine Coach purse," whatever. There's something that doesn't look right, or if it's misspelled, or it's not in all caps, or the number label, the serial number looks wrong, it's definitely fake. So now if you don't see something that's fairly obvious, you're going to have to take a closer look in the details of the purse. Like in this picture right here, let's see, on the left hand side is the fake. You can see that there should be no burgundy on that. This is a Louis Vuitton. Look at the stitching on it compared to the right. The stitching on the right is going to be immaculate. Everything's going to line up properly. There's going to be a certain number of stitches on one side compared to the other. Fakes they don't have that attention to detail. So a purse that costs as much as Louis Vuitton is going to look immaculate. So if it doesn't, something's wrong with the stitching, you can tell right off the bat, it's a fake. This next picture you're going to see on the left, never mind that the metal on the zipper on the left is obviously jacked up compared to the right, but look at the leather. The one on the left is all soft and creased up compared to the right. It's real. It's in immaculate condition. You gotta look for little details like that. This next tip seems kind of obvious, but if you walk into a shop that looks like this, where there's just rows of purses, name brand purses or wallets just everywhere, they're fake. You are not gonna get real name brand Louis Vuitton, Chanel, Coach, Michael Kors, whatever, in a place like that and think that it's going to be real. Also, I don't know, too many people don't talk about it, but buying fake purses is illegal. Selling fake purses is illegal. You're supporting like criminal organizations and things that you don't want to be giving, who you don't want to be giving your money to, because that's where a lot of these people that sell, or the money's going to very bad people. So if nothing else, you need to keep in mind that your money is probably going to something that you don't want to go to. So you need to look at labels on the inside. A lot of the real purses will have a tag or stamp or serial number. You can always look that up. Like right here, I'm going to show you a fake Dooney & Bourke purse. When I first started buying purses and stuff, I was duped buying this purse, thought it was real, did my research after I bought it, which was a mistake, and found out that it wasn't real. But I'm going to show you why it's not real. Alright, so here's a supposedly vintage real Dooney & Bourke purse. at first glance, everything looks good on it. Even the stitching isn't that bad. See, some of them you're going to have to really dig into, because there might be good stitching on fake purses, but there's going to be something else that's going to be a telltale sign. Dooney & Burke always has a red, white, and blue tag on the inside, and underneath of that tag there's a serial number. This purse does not have a red, white, and blue tag with this serial number on it anywhere. I've looked numerous times for it, couldn't find it. I know this is kind of a weird shot, but trust me, there's no tag in there that's red, white, and blue. So this is a fake Dooney & Burke. I can't sell this. Right now it's just sitting in my death pile of clothes or whatever. So yeah, that's one way of looking at it, especially Dooney & Burke. That's easy to know. I mean, red, white, and blue tag, every one of them have it. I'm going to show you a real Dooney & Burke that does have the tag with the serial number underneath of it right now. Okay, so here's a real Dooney & Burke that I have. Well, I have multiple, but here's one of them. As you can see, the leather's in real nice condition. The stitching is very good and in uniform. The inside of this Dooney & Burke has the red, white, and blue label right here. And underneath of it has a serial number. So that's what you got to look out for Dooney & Burke. I'm not sure about all the other purses, but I know a lot of them do have that, some kind of telltale sign. Like here's a Coach purse that I have that's real. This one's, I think this one's brand new actually. It doesn't look like it's ever been used. The purple inside lining's in immaculate condition. Let's see, where is it at? Here's the tag on that. All the lettering is in all caps. There's nothing misspelled. It doesn't say made in China, which I've seen a lot of Coach purses on that label say made in China, which I'm not going to say that on a real Coach purse, sorry. Another thing to look for is spelling of the designer that you're buying it from, like Prada, P-R-A-D-A. I saw some purses spelled P-R-O-D-A. I mean, you see it spelled wrong, come on, you know that's fake. I don't even know why you buy it, because that's beyond fake. Look for bags, the material that they're made of. If they're real, they should be genuine leather. Some of the fake purses that claim to be real are made out of pleather or plastic. I mean, you can tell by the craftsmanship, the work quality, if it's real or fake that way. The labels, like I was talking about earlier, the stitching, the designer plates, make sure all that looks neat and crisp and real. So there's some designer plates that are crooked, I've seen them. So, I mean, you just gotta look out for the small details, and that's how you tell if a purse is real or not. So I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you learned anything, or if you, I don't know, enjoyed the video, please like it. Please comment below. If there's something else that I missed, please consider subscribing to this video, and I'll have more for you next time. Thank you all.